Android Auto is a mobile app developed by Google to mirror features of an Android device, such as a phone, on a car's information and entertainment screen. You can connect Android Auto using a USB cable or connect wirelessly. This video will show you the steps for both. For wired connections, connect the cable to the leftmost USB port and to the Android phone. When prompted on screen, tap Yes. You may be asked to grant permissions on screen, and you may also be asked permission to use Android Auto on your Android phone as well. When you plug in your Android phone for the first time and approve Android Auto on your Android phone, you may be asked if you want to use Android Auto wirelessly. If you wish to use wireless Android Auto, select Yes and follow on-screen instructions. To set up wireless Android Auto manually, go to the touchscreen. Press Home, tap the Android Auto icon, select Connect Phone, and select Connect New Device. First, make sure that your Android phone's Bluetooth is turned on. On the car's screen, tap Search for Devices. Tap the name of the Android phone. Verify that the pairing codes shown on your phone and on the touchscreen are the same. In the unlikely event the codes don't match, there may be more than one phone in range. Put other phones in airplane mode to continue with pairing. Then select Pair on the Android phone. If the phone has been previously connected, you will now be connected to Android Auto. If this is the phone's initial connection, select Yes on the touchscreen. Again, you may be asked to grant permissions on screen, and you may also be asked permission to use Android Auto on your Android phone as well. The Android phone should now be shown under Manage Device Connections on the touchscreen. Android Auto is now connected. To disconnect or delete your Android phone, press Home. Select General Settings, Connections, Manage Device Connections, and then your phone. To disconnect the phone, select Disconnect. To delete the phone entirely, select Delete Device, and then tap Delete on the next screen. For more helpful tips on your Honda, visit the Honda Info Center at hondainfocenter.com.